Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to password Excel workbook. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Excel worksheet. So I'm going to simply select a template right here, just like so. Now, to password protect this particular template, what we need to do is to simply come to the top right here. We click on File, and it takes us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply go to Info. I take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go to Protect Workbook, and we have these options right here. Next thing we want to do is to go to a script with password. Then it's open up like so. Next thing we want to do is enter our password, and then the password needs to be something you can easily remember. So take note of that. After you enter your password, click on OK, and you will be asked to retype the password for confirmation. So I'm going to simply type this password for the second time and hit on OK. Now you see here that the file has been protected with a password. Let me go back here, and I'm going to simply save this particular file. So I'll click on here just to close. Then I will simply click on Save the file. Then I will make sure I save it in my desktop right here. Then I'll simply come down below here and click on Save. Now we have the file right here. Next thing we want to do now is to open up this file. By the time I double click just to open the MX file, then it's going to automatically ask me to enter the password. Now what we want to do here is to simply enter our password, and once you enter your password, hit on OK, and the file is going to open up like so. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to password protect your Excel workbook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.